Are you looking to build a global career in finance or accounting? ACCA is one of the most prestigious qualifications recognized worldwide. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about this qualification. So let's dive into the world of ACCA. The ACCA qualification is a globally recognized certification with over 252,500 members and 526,000 students across 180 countries. From audit to financial management, ACCA opens doors to diverse opportunities. Now, allow us to break down the ACCA journey for you. It starts at the applied knowledge level, progresses to applied skills, and concludes with the strategic professional level. There's also an essential ethics and professional skills module. Beginners may start with the foundations level to build the fundamentals. Now, let's discuss the ACCA exam levels in detail. Applied knowledge level. The applied knowledge level is ideal for beginners as it covers financial and management accounting basics. Entry requirements. To begin with, you must be at least 18 years old. After that, you will need at least 2 A-levels and 3 GCSEs in 5 subjects, including English and mathematics. This level consists of 3 exams: Business and Technology, Management Accounting, Financial Accounting. The exam duration for all 3 exams is around 2 hours. Here's the detailed exam format. The exams comprise of objective test questions and multitask questions. If you have an Association of Accounting Technicians qualification, you can skip this level. It takes 6 to 12 months to complete, and the exams are computer-based, having a 50% pass mark. The average learning time for these exams is around 300 hours each. Exemptions. ACCA accredited college degrees might exempt you from 3 exams. And don't forget, you can check the link to see if you may be eligible for any exemptions from ACCA exams. No work experience is required, but it's never too early to gain some real-world practice. Applied skills level. This level focuses on practical applications in financial reporting, taxation, and auditing. Entry requirements. You have to complete the applied knowledge level or be eligible for relevant exemptions. Exams. This stage has 6 exams, which includes Corporate and Business Law, Performance Management, Taxation, Financial Reporting, Audit and Assurance, Financial Management. The exam duration for the exams is around 2 to 3 hours. But here's the detailed exam format. These exams comprise of objective test questions, constructed response questions, and multiple response questions. This level takes 12 to 18 months to complete, and all the exams are either session-based or computer-based, having a pass mark of 50%. The average learning time for these exams is around 400 hours each. Exemptions. If you have a degree in accounting, you may be exempted from some or all the exams. Work experience. While you don't need work experience yet, gaining practical experience will complement your studies. Strategic professional level. This final stage is perfect for those aiming for advanced financial management and leadership roles. Entry requirements. To enter this level, you must complete the applied skills level or qualify for relevant exemptions. Exams. This level consists of 4 exams, which includes 2 compulsory exams, Strategic Business Leader and Strategic Business Reporting. 2 optional exams out of these 4: Advanced Financial Management, Advanced Audit and Assurance, Advanced Taxation, and Advanced Performance Management. The duration for these exams is around 3 hours and 15 minutes. Here's the detailed exam format. The question format for these exams includes scenario-based questions and case study questions. This level takes 12 to 18 months to complete, and all exams are either session-based or computer-based with a 50% pass mark. The learning time for exams at this level ranges between 400 to 600 hours. Exemptions. No exemptions are available at this level. Work experience. You'll need 36 months of relevant work experience to become an ACCA member. Don't worry, this experience can be gained before, during, or after your exams. Foundations. The foundations level covers the basics of accounting and finance with no entry requirements, making it ideal for people without formal qualifications. It takes 12 to 18 months to complete with 9 exams, which can be taken in any order. The duration for these exams is around 2 hours, and the question format includes objective test questions and multitask questions. You can then aim for the Certified Accounting Technician qualification, which requires completing 3 FIA diplomas and at least 2 specialist options in audit, taxation, or financial management. You'll also need 1 year of practical experience and the Foundations in Professionalism module. After achieving the CAT qualification, you can progress to the ACCA Applied Skills level. Ethics and Professional Skills module. A critical part of your journey is the Ethics and Professional Skills module. The EPSM is a mandatory module before the strategic professional exams. This module takes 1 to 2 months to complete. The exam duration for this module is around 2 hours. The exam format includes interactive and scenario-based questions. The learning time for this module is around 20 hours. This module is designed to enhance your ethical judgment and professionalism. Here's the detailed exam format. Benefits of ACCA qualification. Global recognition. It is accepted in more than 180 countries. Career flexibility. It provides diverse career options like audit, taxation, corporate finance, and more. High earning potential. ACCA professionals are highly sought after, often enjoying competitive salaries. Flexibility in study and work. You can balance your work and studies as it provides options for full-time as well as part-time learning. Preparation guidelines. Now, let's talk about how you can prepare for your ACCA exams. Utilize approved study materials and online platforms. Familiarize yourself with exam patterns. Stick to a study schedule. Regularly review your progress and stay motivated. ACCA is your gateway to global opportunities in finance. If this video helped you understand the ACCA journey, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more educational content. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Keep learning, keep growing. See you in the next video.